Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Maths. Today I'm going to be doing another maths treat. Sorry if I haven't posted in a while, but right now I will. And this is part 1 of simultaneous equations. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also watch it till the end because it has some useful things you may want to know. Simultaneous equations are something that people often struggle at, and it might be at school or it might be in everyday life. So I'm just going to make a quick video to show how they're properly done, and hopefully by the end of this video you'll be an expert. Firstly, if you have an equation like this and you need to find the values of x and y, it's going to be really difficult without knowing what either x is or either y is. This is why people find it hard. The first thing you need to do is set it out like this, and this will really help you. It will also give you a better understanding of which equation is which, and you also may have a lesser chance of confusing both of them. The first thing you need to do to solve this is name each of the equations. One equation will be either equation 1 and one equation will be equation 2. Now it depends which equations you want to be 1 or 2. It's entirely up to you. I'm just going to pick the top one to be 1 and the bottom one to be 2. Now to solve it, you have to firstly put the equations into each other. What I mean by this is kind of subtract them. First of all, you're going to have to set it out like this. So you would have a type of subtracting equation, such as 4x take away 5y equals 17, take away x minus 5y equals 8. Now, the next thing you need to do is, you know that minus 5y and minus 5y are basically like 0, they're same, so they're similar. So what you need to do is just cross this thing out and not worry about it for now, but don't entirely forget it. And now the next thing you need to do is do 4x take away x, which is basically 1x, and that equals 3x. And then equals, 17, this is minus over here, so you need to do 17 take away 8, which is 9. Now you have 3x equals 9. What you need to do is do your rearranging and solve x. Basically do 3x over 3 equals 9 over 3, 9 divided by 3. So x equals 9 divided by 3 equals 3. X equals 3. We've got that and we put it to one side. Now we need to find out y. And now that we found out x, you could do y first, it's entirely up to you. But now that we found x, it'll be easier to find y. What you need to do now is substitute x equals 3 into equation 1 or 2. Now you have 4x, and we know x equals 3, so 4 times 3, because it's basically 4 times x. Take away 5y equals 17, and all we need to do now is rearrange it. So 4 times 3 is 12, 12 take away 5y equals 17. And then you need to do 17 take away 12, so minus 5y equals 5. Now you do over minus 5 and over minus 5. Now you get your final answer of y equals minus 1, because 5 divided by minus 5 is minus 1. And you basically have your answers, x equals 3 and y equals minus 1. And if you want to check your answers, just to be cautious, you could apply it in this equations, both of these. So you have 4 times 3 and 3 take away 5 times minus 1 equals 8. Do they really work, and do they really equal the answers we want them to equal? And this is a method called the substitution method. And there's also like a method called the elimination method. I'll teach you the other method after in part 2, so make sure to like this video again, and I'll just show you some couple of examples that you can do as well. Now, if you're confident with all of this, then you're good with the elimination method, which is fantastic, and you're obviously a quick learner. So now I'm just going to give you some basic examples of some questions. Don't get worried if you don't get it, because like you can always improve it. I won't be showing you how to do it, but I will give you the answers, and make sure you check them. If something is wrong, then obviously write them in the comments, and I'll try to explain as well as I can where you have gone wrong. So here are the questions. Okay, so make sure to pause the video and try these out. If you're struggling, then just keep going, because determination is everything. Okay, so hopefully you might have done it, and I'm going to give you the answers now. So here are the answers. They mostly relate to let's say 1 and 2. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you're wondering why it's 1 and 12, it's 1 and 2, just to be sure. So these are just little tricks that I play sometimes, and don't get stressed out. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed part 1 of my video. Make sure to like, subscribe if you're new to this channel, and leave a comment down below when you're done. I'll be giving shoutouts in my next video, so make sure that you comment down below, and if you want yourself to get a shoutout. Remember, I post every Saturday, though sometimes I may be late, and I'll see you guys till next time.